The 50-30-20 rule explained, the easiest way to manage your money. Managing money can feel overwhelming, but what if there was a simple rule that made budgeting effortless? That's where the 50-30-20 rule comes in. This straightforward strategy helps you take control of your finances, save for the future, and still enjoy life without stressing over every dollar. In this video, we'll break down exactly how the 50-30-20 rule works, why it's so effective, and how you can apply it to your own budget, no matter how much you earn. Let's get started. What is the 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 rule is a popular budgeting method that helps you allocate your income into three simple categories. 50% for needs, essentials like rent, food, and bills. 30% for wants, fun expenses like dining out, Netflix, and travel. 20% for savings and debt repayment, investments, emergency funds, and paying off loans. This rule was made famous by Elizabeth Warren, a U.S. Senator and Harvard bankruptcy expert, in her book, All Your Worth, The Ultimate Lifetime Money Plan. It's designed to make budgeting easy and effective. Now, let's break down each category in detail. Category 1, 50% for needs. The first half of your income, 50%, should go towards essential living expenses. These are things you absolutely must pay for to survive. What counts as a need? Rent or mortgage payments. Utilities like electricity, water, gas, and internet. Groceries, not dining out, just necessary food. Transportation costs like car payments, gas, or public transit. Health insurance and medical expenses. Minimum debt payments like credit cards and loans. Example, let's say you earn $5,000 per month after taxes. Using the 50-30-20 rule, 50% of $5,000 equals $2,500 for essentials like rent, food, and bills. If your needs exceed 50% of your income, you may need to cut expenses or find ways to increase your income. Category 2, 30% for wants. The next 30% of your income is for fun and lifestyle choices, things that make life enjoyable but aren't strictly necessary. What counts as a want? Entertainment, like Netflix, concerts, and movies. Eating out and takeout food. Shopping for clothes, gadgets, and non-essential items. Gym memberships, hobbies, and recreational activities. Vacations and travel. Example, if you earn $5,000 per month, then 30% of $5,000 equals $1,500 for things you enjoy. But remember, if money's tight, you can cut down on wants and redirect some of this money towards savings. Category 3, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Finally, 20% of your income should go towards financial security. This includes savings, investments, and paying off debt faster. How to use this money wisely? 1. Build an emergency fund. Save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in case of job loss or unexpected costs. 2. Invest for the future. Put money into stocks, real estate, or retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. 3. Pay off debt faster. Use extra cash to pay off credit cards, student loans, or any other debt. 4. Save for big goals, buying a home, starting a business, or planning for retirement. Example, if you make $5,000 per month, then 20% of $5,000 equals $1,000 for savings and investments. Even if you can't save 20% right away, start small and work your way up. Why the 50-30-20 rule works. This budgeting method is popular because it's simple and flexible. Here's why it works. It's easy to follow. You don't need complex spreadsheets or apps. Just divide your income into 3 categories. It covers everything, ensures you pay for necessities, enjoy life, and secure your future all at the same time. Works for any income level. Whether you make $2,000 or $20,000 per month, the percentages stay the same. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Even though the 50-30-20 rule is simple, people often make mistakes when applying it. Let's go over some common errors and how to fix them. Mistake number 1. Confusing needs with wants. Many people overspend on wants and think they are needs. Example, a basic phone plan is a need, but the latest iPhone upgrade is a want. Groceries are a need, but eating out at restaurants is a want. Solution: be honest about your spending and cut unnecessary expenses. Mistake number 2, not adjusting the rule to fit your situation. If you live in an expensive city, your needs may take up more than 50% of your income. Solution: adjust the rule to 60-20-20 or find ways to increase income. Mistake number 3, not prioritizing savings. Some people spend too much on wants and ignore savings. Solution: set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Pay yourself first. The 50-30-20 rule is one of the easiest ways to manage your money without overcomplicating things. By following this simple formula, you can cover your needs, enjoy life, and secure your financial future, all at the same time. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.